Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on very large areas. Very large areas are measured using a unit called the hectare. 1 hectare is equal to 10,000 square metres. The following square is a simple representation of a hectare. So if we have, for example, some land, if you like, a block of land which is 100 metres long and 100 metres wide, that is a perfect example of a hectare. So example 1, how many hectares are contained in 40,000 square metres? So the solution, 40,000 square metres equals 4 times 10,000 square metres, which gives us 4 hectares. In other words, it's 4 of these. And we know that 10,000 square metres is 1 hectare. We saw that here. In other words, that is 4 hectares. 90,000 square metres equals 9 by 10,000 square metres. And that gives us 9 hectares. So 90,000 square metres is 9 hectares. How many square metres in 8 hectares? So 8 hectares gives us 8 times 10,000 square metres, because 10,000 square metres represents 1 hectare, so 8 will be 8 times that amount. And that's 80,000 square metres. So 8 hectares is 80,000 square metres. Example 4. The area of a farm is 12 hectares. How many square metres does this represent? So 12 hectares will be 12 times 10,000. And that area will be in square metres. So 12 times 10,000 is 120,000 square metres. Example 5. How many square metres in half a hectare? If 1 hectare is 10,000 square metres, that means half of a hectare is a half of 10,000. And half of 10,000 is 5,000 square metres. So half of a hectare is 5,000 square metres. So this video has given us a simple introduction to the hectare, which measures large areas, and we've just done some simple conversions.